What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today, as you can already tell, we're gonna be watching some of the most satisfying convenient cup and instant karma moments. So all you have to do now is to sit back, relax and enjoy today's video.
Let's go.
So was that the yield sign for that?
Yeah, for that.
Alrighty, here we have a brand new Mustang who is in a bit of a hurry because he needs to find his first unsuspecting crowd.
Thank you, officer! Good luck, dude!
And now may I present you the mighty German V8 who goes from 0 to a full Mustang in 2.5 seconds. Oof, the police don't even have to do anything. Whoa, are my eyes deceiving me, or we have a rogue Prius on our hands? I can't even believe I'm gonna say this, but that Prius was using the speed and power. It looks like that car is full of surprises after all. I didn't even know it was possible to use those words while describing the Prius, but here we are. Look at that hybrid slash electric dingleberry driving on a hard shoulder. Now we are moving on to our next, let's say, very unusual suspect, and he's deploying all of the power, but it's silent unfortunately. And to be honest, Tesla isn't the first car that comes to mind when it comes to street racing and car meets. So this is quite unusual. Oh! And the police is like, you can't do that in a Duracell battery, so you gotta leave. They actually did this not because he was doing donuts, it's because he was driving an electric car.
Man, it is really taking a lot of self-control right now for me not to just blow by this guy.
This dude here is now fighting his intrusive thoughts.
Something. The loser moved
Just
it
floor
over.
it, dude.
That
You're
not
faster
as much
than
of a
him.
loser. Cop seems pretty chill. Let's see how chill he is.
And now the dude in a pickup truck is like, don't worry, my man, I'll take care of it.
I'll let this guy get pulled over and then I can drive
Something like this actually
driving.
happened to me once, but only I didn't have the pickup
Cop
truck to
seems
help
pretty
me
chill.
out.
Oh, wait.
I had to be patient and wait for the
we
cop
got
to
here?
leave.
He's been in the left lane the entire time. Oh, baby.
And
Yep,
he
see?
took one for the team.
Ah, yes.
I don't know if that was intentional or
That
planned, but
is
you gotta find that
what
guy
I
and buy
would've
him a beer.
anticipated to
He
happen,
deserves it.
and lucky for me, now that means
It's time to deploy speed and
no,
power.
stay over there, buddy.
That is a
In 2
McLaren
miles, take the exit to
570S, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, but anyways, we are moving on. And for this guy, a simple concept of a one-way street is unknown, I guess. He never heard of it. But luckily the 5-0 is here to refresh his memory a bit. Whoop whoop. Take a guess who's gonna run a red light. Ooh, that white pickup truck was very optimistic, let's say, while going through that intersection. That was quite a stretch.
MGM turns 100 years old today to celebrate the Hollywood Heritage Museum.
On to the next one we go. Apparently the guy in a red car is using the whole speedometer he paid for, and he goes for an overtake. Ooh, that is very questionable. And on top of that, he did it right in front of the 5-0. His genius knows no bounds. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the slow drivers as well, but you gotta wait for the right moment to do this. That was too much on his part, so this is well deserved. This guy read left turn only wrong. He thought it said Subarus go straight, but that's impossible.
What did he say? Oh God.
If you know what I mean. But anyways, back to the video now. There is always a guy like this who is trying to bypass the traffic like this, and it's so annoying. We are in the UK now, where this Skoda decided to show us the true meaning of the saying work hard not smart. I mean work smart not hard. I messed that up, didn't I? I mean, why would you waste your time when there's an empty lane just for yourself? But now, this Honda type lawnmower is trying to overtake everybody on the road, and that black SUV decided to block him a little bit, just for the good measure, you know? And actually, if he decided to slow down and stay behind that black car, the cops wouldn't even notice him.
Ooh, and there goes my man. Go get him. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes,
Everybody in the car loves it. And so do we. On to the next one. Bro, turn on the headlights. They're quite useful, especially at night. Actually, I have a little fun fact for you. In my country, you're required to have your lights on all of the time, 24/7. And I think that's ridiculous, but it is how it is.
Yes! 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 Finally, my first karma cop!
This guy enjoys this to the fullest. He's so happy. It's like a dream came true for him. We all know what's gonna happen here. There we go. Very smart decision. It's like that guy woke up and was like, what should I do today? I should get a ticket, that would be fun. What an excellent idea. Look at this. That guy is so smart that it's him, then 10 empty places, then Albert Einstein. I mean, for real, what was that all about? Right in front of the cop. Here comes a Volvo. Who thinks stopping at a red light is a suggestion, not a requirement? But let's see if the police is gonna be a big fan of his driving philosophy. Apparently not.
Anytime next week works for me.
Oh, you cheeky little sausage. It doesn't take a genius to figure out which lane is which.
Sounds good.
But I guess this is not a big deal, because he corrected himself right
You wanna
away.
come out here?
That we've seen in accidents are perhaps down to people just glancing away to look at touchscreens.
And bro goes for a questionable overtake. Out of all those people, he decided to overtake a cop. Very interesting.
And it's a system that really understands what you're saying.
And in 3, 2, 1, a BMW goes straight through the red light. Very surprising. That was unexpected, to be honest, because they're usually very well behaved in traffic. And now you're about to see the pure art of driving. Check this out. That is beautiful. I only wonder who was the driving instructor. He should be proud. And now, after seeing that top tier level of driving, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Love you all. Ciao ciao.